All right, so let's sum up this course and what we've talked about. First, congratulations on finishing this mini course. We went over many things here. We talked about the different versions of Server 2019 and what new features we get with Server 2019. We went through the install of Windows Server 2019. We installed the IIS role as well as the Telnet client feature, and we configured networking on the Windows 2019 server. So where do you go next? Well, this course is really just the beginning, and it just scratches the surface of Windows Server 2019 and server administration. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to my site and check out some of my other courses at courses.thesysadminschool.com. I hope you enjoyed this course, and please let me know if you have any questions at all. Feel free to contact me at support@thesysadminschool.com. And if you have any ideas for any future courses or mini courses that you'd like me to create, please feel free to contact me at courseideas@thesysadminschool.com. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you again.